Hey guys, today let's learn how to create a business account on Instagram. So if you are wondering how to create a business account onto the Instagram application, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Instagram application. And once we're here, let's tap on our profile icons in the lower corner and let's go ahead and proceed with going on to our 3 lines in the top right. Next, let's tap on settings and privacy, and I want you to scroll until you see the option called account type and tool. So tap on this, and then we are going to have the option to switch to a professional account right here. And in order for us to create a business account, of course, we need to create a professional account first. So tap on continue and follow the on-screen instructions. Choose your preferred category that best describes you. In this case, let's assume that we are a business of a clothing brand right here. Tap on done. And the next step is to actually now choose if you are whether a creator or a business account. And in this YouTube tutorial, since we want to go ahead and create a business account on Instagram, of course, choose the business one. Tap on next. Now we need to enter our public business information. I think that's going to be good for this example. And then tap on next. You could also choose to connect your Facebook page if you prefer to, but in this case, I don't really want to do that right now. Now, once we're already here onto the steps to complete our professional account, essentially we are already done. And once we tap on the X button, we are going to go ahead back onto our profile. And as you see, we are now currently on a business account on Instagram. Of course, just complete these steps to complete your profile and you're ready to go. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys onto the next video.